Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps to disable the Filter All Messages feature on Discord, which is particularly useful if you want to ensure you don't miss any important direct messages. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on You. This will take you to your profile settings, where you can customize your Discord experience. Next, locate the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen and tap on it. This will open up the settings menu, allowing you to adjust various preferences associated with your account. Now, scroll down until you see the Privacy and Safety option. Go ahead and tap on that to access the privacy settings for your account. Finally, under the DM Spam Filter section, you'll see the option to manage your direct message filtering. Select Do Not Filter Direct Messages. This will turn off the filtering, and you'll be able to receive all messages without any restrictions. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled the Filter All Messages feature on Discord. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.